Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this question. The question is 4x plus 3y equal to 25 and 2x plus 5y equal to 16. These two equations are given to us. Okay, so these two equations are given, and with the help of this we have to find out this. The value of this y into bracket x minus y upon x square and this whole raised to y upon 2. So this is equal to question mark. So this value we need to find out, and these are the options given to us. The options are 3 root 2, root 11 upon 3, 3 upon 11 root 2, 2 upon 11 root 3. So these are the four options which are given to us. So first of all, let's see the question. The question is these two equations are given to us. So with the help of this given part, we need to find out this. So before we find out the value of this, we should know the value of x and y. So first of all, we need to calculate the value of x and y. So these two pair of equations, we need to solve it and we need to take out the value of x and y. So let's see the solution part. So moving ahead with the solution part. So this is our equation. Now if you see, we can solve it by elimination method. By subtracting these two equations, we can get one variable's value. So 4x plus 3y equal to 25 is given. 4x plus 3y equal to 25. And the next equation is 2x plus 5y equal to 16. Now we can eliminate. So let's eliminate it. So first of all, we need to make the coefficient of either x or y, we need to make it same. Okay, we need to make the coefficient of any one variable same. So here 4x is given and here 2x is given. So if I multiply this whole part, this equation, if I multiply by 2, I can get this coefficient equal. Okay, so I'm doing that. So what I'll get? I will get, I'm writing again. Okay, so what I will get here, 4x plus 3y equal to 25, and here again 2 2s will be 4x plus 2 5s will be 10y equal to 16 2s will be 32. So now we got this equation. Now we are subtracting this both equation. So this I am getting. Okay, so I am subtracting. So whenever you subtract, what happens? The sign changes. So this positive 4x will become negative 4x. Okay, and this plus 10y will become minus 10y, and this positive 32 will become negative 32. So this is our new sign because we are subtracting. So minus is attached here, so sign will change. So 4x minus 4x will be cancelled off. 3y minus 10y. Now don't see this sign, we need to see this sign. Okay, so 3y minus 10y will give you minus 7y, and 25 minus 32 will give you minus 7. Okay, so this minus 7 I'm taking it that side. So now y equal to minus 7 upon minus 7. So I can cancel off this and the answer will be 1. So I got the value of y. So y is equal to 1. So this value I got. Now with the help of this, now I can get the value of x. This value you keep in any one equation. Out of this two, take up any one and keep the value. Substitute this and you get the value of x. So I am taking the first part. Okay, so 4x plus 3y equal to 25. So 4x plus 3. In place of y, I am keeping 1. Okay, this value I am substituting and this side equal to 25. So what I will get? Here 4x and this 3 ones are will be 3. Positive 3, and that I am transposing that side. So it will be 25 minus 3. And that will give us 4x equal to 22. So x will be equal to 22 upon 4. Now cancellations you can do. So 2 ones are, and here also 2 ones are. So 11s are and 2 2s are. So 11 upon 2. So this will be the value of x. So we are getting x 11 upon 2. So I got the value of x and I got the value of y. Both value I have. Now with the help of these two values, I can calculate the value of this whole part. So let's move ahead with that calculation. So the question, the expression is y into bracket x minus y upon x square and this whole raised to y upon 2. So this is our expression and we want to find out the value of this. Now just keep the values of x and y in this expression. So in place of y, we will keep 1. X minus y, what is x? 11 upon 2. So 11 upon 2 minus 1 upon x square. So 11 upon 2 the whole square. So this way you will keep the value. Now don't forget this whole raised to y upon 2 and y is 1. So 1 upon 2. Okay. Now 11 upon 2 minus 1, this is 1. Okay. Now we will take LCM here. So it will be 11 minus 2 ones will be 2 and upon 2. And here we will square up. So 11 square will be 121 upon 2 square will be 4 and this whole raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. So you can see the denominator here it is 2 and here it is 4. So you can cancel it off. So 2 ones and 2 twos 4. So now we are left with 9 upon 1 means only 9. And here we are left with 121 upon 2. Now this upon 2, I can take it here with the numerator. You know that fraction upon fraction is given. So what happens? This denominator, it gets multiplied with the numerator of this top fraction. Okay. So this 2 which is left here in the denominator, I am taking it here. 11 minus 2 we got 9 and I am taking it here. So 9 into 2. And this 121 I am keeping it here as it is. I hope you understood this step. I have just flipped, nothing else I have done. This 2 is removed. This 2 here which is left in the denominator, that I have shifted here with the numerator. Okay. Now this 1 upon 2 means root. So I can keep root over here. Now you can see that 9 is a perfect square number. So 9 we can remove it outside the root. So it will be 3. Also 121 is a perfect square number. It is a square of 11. So 121 when we remove it outside the root, it will become upon 11. So 3 upon 11. This is in denominator. So after taking out from the root, you need to keep it in the denominator. So here 3 and here 11. Now this 2, it will be left inside the root. So root 2. So 3 upon 11 root 2. This will be your final answer. I hope you understood. So 3 upon 11 root 2. If you see option C shows the correct answer. So this will be the solution for this type of question. I hope you understood the solution part. Thank you.